Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to record sounds. If you want to record sounds on your smartphone, firstly you have to find Sound Recorder. This app is pre-installed. Enter it and now simply tap record button. Also, you can record and check translation and transcription. This is the live transcription of everything that is said right now. You can simply translate it to other language. For example, right now I am talking in English and the language will be automatically translated to Chinese. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.